It's John-Marc, and I'm excited that you're here checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. If you like my last 2 videos on teaching you how to draw a Pokemon, I got another one for you. That's right. So check out this fun little character. If you like this one, Firefox, I think you're going to enjoy this lesson. Now, as I say time and time, gotta get my pencil. If you got your mighty pencil, this is a big pencil, even if it's a small one, it'll work. And you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I want to share with you, whenever you finish a project, make sure you sign and date it, and share it with your family and friends, and just to get some encouragement. And always try to possibly even time yourself on it and see your improvement. Put all those little notes on the illustration on the back side of the paper. Anyways, thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.